Good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We arbitrage traders are the ones that are consistently earning even if the market is terrible, right? So in this video, I'll be showing you an arbitrage opportunity where you don't need to leave this exchange to make money. You are inside this one exchange, you will buy, exploit the price difference, and sell and be profitable inside this one exchange. So if this is the type of content you're interested in, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and let's dive right in. So first things first, I should also mention that why this type of arbitrage trading is profitable and is done inside this one exchange, it is usually capital intensive, right? Because you need a lot of capital to exploit this price difference inside the exchange. So without capital, you find it challenging and mostly very not profitable actually. So you get. So before we go ahead, I should also mention that this video is not a financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Whatever I watch in this video, I decide to do afterwards watching the video is on my bro. So let's dive right in. So here I'm using the Binance app, exchange. You can easily download it on the Play Store, register, and then you can do this. Right. So we are here in the BTC USDT. So the name of the project we're exploiting today, go over here and type or search for PYTH Pyth, Pyth USDT, Pyth USDC, Pyth BTC. Remember in the old video that is already uploaded in the channel, I told you that one of the ways you know is going to be profitable or exploitable is when they have different pairs inside that one exchange, right? No need of sending it out. If it doesn't have, then we need to send it to another exchange to exploit. Now the gas fee might be higher and the wait time before it reaches the next exchange, the price might have corrected and we end up wasting our time. I've done this and I know how painful it can be, so I don't want you guys to do that same mistake, right? So now you have to check whether it has this price difference. Once you find the project, first of all, check whether it has this price difference and different pairs, inside this one exchange. So once it has it, we'll be buying this with USDT, right? We're buying this with USDT. So remember I told you it's capital intensive. Now we're going in with 2K dollars, right? We begin with 2K dollars, the same thing, just changes 1999.99. So it's basically the same thing. So first thing we have to do is like get this and reconfirm whether the price is still exploitable at this instant, right? So just copy this up. Now where we'll be selling this is in the BTC, right? Search for by PYTH. We'll be selling this here on BTC. So you use your USDT to buy the bytes. Now you're selling the bytes to BTC. That's basically it. Now go here and paste the amount of power we got. So this is the amount of bytes we got, and this is the equivalent in BTC, right? So 0.02888135, this amount. So let's copy it. Now if you swap this PHYT, that's byte, to BTC, we will have to swap our BTC to USDT, which is the stable coin we normally use, because BTC can fluctuate. And you know the current crypto market is actually very volatile right now, so you won't want to keep your money in BTC, right? So you have to swap it back to USDT. Now you have to go and search for BTC USDT. Now we have already gotten our money in BTC, so we have to sell it to USDT. So I'm selling BTC to USDT. So basically paste the amount of BTC we got, so we know if it's profitable. Voila, bro, that's crazy. So we got $19 from this particular arbitrage. And now one of the things you have to also note is that there is a fee here, $1.5. This fee is for selling. So if you want to sell this particular coin to BTC, you want to sell your BTC to your USDT, right? You pay 1.5. Now remember the volume of BTC we are selling is actually high, so this is very low compared to the amount of BTC we have in our wallet. So if you swap this, you minus this from the amount you'll be getting, right? So you get it, right? So we got $19 from this arbitrage, then remove $1.5. That's basically it, and we know the amount of money we've made. Now let's go to the calculator and check. So basically we got $19, right? Then we minus $1.5 from it. That's like we'll be getting 17.5. Yeah. Let me just make it $17, right? Wait, let me just make it so at the end of the day we just got $17 from that particular arbitrage. Now we can do this multiple times because it's inside the same exchange and within 5 minutes, because we are selling with market price. We are not waiting for it to rise or fall. We are selling instant. Any amount you are getting, we are selling off immediately. So we can do this multiple times, up to 5 times before the price can even correct. And if it's correcting, it's reducing bit by bit. It doesn't just change once, right? So we can do this 5 times or up to 10 times, depending on how fast we can go. But reasonably, we can go 5 times, right? So we will be making $85 from this particular amount we have, $2,000. We're making $85 if we do this 5 times inside the same exchange after you have minus the gas fee that it might take to complete the transactions inside that same exchange. Oh. So in naira, this is basically, I don't know the current exchange rate, but let me just say it might be like this. So you'll be getting 117,000 300 naira if you are doing this multiple times inside the same exchange within minutes, right? So I think this is very profitable. And you should also know that it's not always constant. Sometimes you see this type of opportunities, sometimes you will not see. So you have to join my Telegram channel where I'll also start posting updates soon. Once I get these opportunities, I'll post it immediately. First of all, in the Telegram before I even do the video, right? So you have to join the Telegram. If you haven't, go and join. The link will be in the description. The link is also in the bio. Now, if this is the type of content you would like to be seeing, I mean, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so you get my videos when I post them, and also share this video to those that might be interested in them. We don't hide updates here, right? So let's go.